on this Saturday as we give you some top stories here of the day. I want to get to really this disturbing story of a mother of a killer's son sentenced for tampering with evidence. Let me bring this to your attention. A convicted teenage killer's mother agreed to a plea deal for tampering with evidence in Tristyn Bailey's murder in upscale Florida community and sentenced just yesterday, 3 days before her trial was scheduled to begin. Crystal Smith, who is 37, pleaded no contest to tampering with evidence, a third-degree felony, and will spend 30 days in jail, followed by 5 years of probation for washing blood out of her son Aiden Fucci's jeans after he killed Bailey on Mother's Day back in 2021. What the defendant did was not protecting her child. She was assisting him in avoiding responsibility for an extraordinary, vicious, and merciless crime, State Attorney R.J. Larizza said in a statement. Smith's lawyer said that Smith didn't know why her son's jeans were bloody when she washed him and called her a frantic mother trying to determine what was going on with her son. Fucci, who's now 16, pleaded guilty to fatally stabbing Bailey 114 times in a brutal murder that rocked the suburban St. Johns County, Florida, back in 2021 when Fucci was just 13 years old. After Bailey went missing, Fucci volunteered to show deputies where he had last seen his classmate, and home surveillance video showed his mom picking up a pair of blue jeans from her son's room and scrubbing them in a bathroom sink. Tristyn's mother, Stacey Bailey, said in an emotional victim impact statement that the choices Smith made on Mother's Day 2021 will haunt me for the rest of my life, the Jacksonville station reported. I tried to put myself in your shoes on that fateful day 1,000 times, but I just can't. The irreparable damage that you have caused by your actions will forever be etched into our lives. Before the plea deal, Smith could have spent up to 5 years in prison if convicted. During Fucci's sentencing, more than 50 of the young cheerleaders' relatives and friends packed the courthouse. Circuit Judge R. Smith could have sentenced Fucci to as little as 40 years for stabbing Tristyn Bailey 114 times, calling the crime heinous, atrocious, and cruel. The judge described Tristyn's horrific injuries, including 49 defensive wounds, 35 wounds to her neck, and 29 to her back and shoulder. The tip of the hunting knife that Fucci used to kill her broke off in her skull there. Just horrific updates there regarding that story coming back from Mother's Day of 2021. All right, everyone, we are going to slide away for another quick 2-minute break. Stay right here with us. More to come, always on Live Now from Fox.